Mm. See, here we have some abbreviations. Okay, HVAC, like AHU, already you know this one, AHU chiller and fresh air handling unit, and FCO fan coil unit. CH, once again I will explain. SAD, supply air duct, RAD, return air duct, FAD, fresh air duct, EAD, exact air duct, and KAD, kitchen air duct, TAD, transfer air duct. Okay, kitchen purpose you can use, that will consider as a kitchen air duct. Okay, we no need this separately, you can mention this one, that is better. Next we have 8 terminals like SCD, supply ceiling diffuser, and RCD, return ceiling diffuser, and SLCD, okay, supply linear slot diffusers, and RLCD, return linear slot diffuser, SH, supply grill, SH, return grill, and SAR, supply air register, and RH, return air register. Okay, already you know the difference, supply diffuser and return ceiling diffuser, supply linear slot diffuser and return linear slot diffuser. Do you know this? I will show images to you. First of all, okay, and don't worry that one. If you need, for example, supply ceiling deficit, just you can see. Okay, this type we consider as a supply ceiling diffuser. See, okay, this type of catalog you will get from the company. Okay, which company, like you are the consultant company, that condition, or you are the contract company, that condition, we have some vendors like diffusers purpose and wall VAV purpose and damper purpose. We know some vendors, that's vendors will send a catalog. In that catalog you will get this data like supply ceiling diffusers, and you will get this information also like 4-way and 4-way. For example, you can consider this is one-way diffuser, this is two-way diffuser, you can see like this. Okay, this is three-way diffuser, but here we have this is four-way diffuser, just you can see four-way is available. Okay, one way, two way, and three way. If you need, if you have any doubt, just you can check. 4W SAD means four way SAD, supply air duct. 4W RAD, four way return air duct. Okay, and at the same time you can see okay, your 8 terminal assembly like diffuser assembly and screw rivets. Okay, duct and plenum end. Okay, you can see this is called plenum box and plenum end. Okay, and screw or rivets, we can consider like this. Okay, insert the diffuser into the duct or plenum end, tighten the screw or rivet, like assembly condition, like fixing condition. Okay, just for understanding I am explaining this one. This is also one of the model equalizing grid SAD. Next, RAD, return this one. Next, okay, this is our diffuser four way, we can see like this. If you need sizes, okay, based on our airflow and pressure we can select, or otherwise here we have, you will get your values. Just you can see in the sheet, just you can rotate your clockwise. Okay, in that condition we know our liter per second means flow rate value, at the same time which one, CFM value, right? Okay, liter per second means you consider this one, here we have liter per second. Based on our liter per second you can mention your value, you will get your value. Here this is noise level, okay, less than 15 decibels. Okay, for example, where is our liter per second? Based on that you can select your 8 terminal. Okay, here you will get your liter per second. At the same time, PT, pressure, if you know pressure you can select pressure and liter per second based on the two values. For example, you need 150 by 150 diffuser. Okay, that diffuser how much? Up to 94 liter per second applicable, 150 by 150. For example, you will take 225 by 150 up to 142. For example, you need 225 by 225, that is up to 213 liter per second. Okay, and 450 by 150 or 375 by 150. Okay, depends upon the requirement, you can select that one. Okay, liter per second. Okay, if you need exact you can take 300 by 300, 450 by 450, that one also applicable. Okay, square diffuser, depends upon your requirement. Okay, see here we have 450 by 450. Okay, 450 by 450, we have 212 and 265 liter per second, at the same time 314 liter per second and 372 liter per second and 425 liter per second. Okay, these all we have. Okay, and you can select one diffuser only. Okay, based on that one diffuser you can place your entire floor. That condition we can adjust our flow rate na by using VCD, like volume control damper. Why we are using volume control damper? Okay, flow rate controlling purpose na? Yes or no? For example, okay, and by using this type of catalogs you can select your diffuser size. Company will provide these catalogs. Which one? That is VN. Huh? Wait. I will say wait. Here you have, I think, where is that one? VN, no? Not here. We have abbreviations also for that. Wait a 1 minute. Here you will get liter per second means airflow in liter per second. Okay, effective area in square meter. This one AK means, AN means neck area in square meter, VN means neck velocity in meter per second. Okay, that is diffuser velocity, diffuser neck velocity. And PT means total pressure in meter, water gauge, WG. Okay, TH means throw in meter, NC means noise criteria. Okay, now clear na? Okay, here you will get these abbreviations and conditions also. Okay, based on 10 dB room attention. Okay, noise level we consider here less than 15 dB. Okay, actually up to less than 35 dB noise level we consider. Okay, here less than 15 dB, that is good. Okay, you will get this type of catalogs from the company. Based on this catalog you need to select. Now clear na? Your doubt, how can we select our 8 terminal? Okay, we no need to calculate any software, that is we no need. Why? All catalogs we have, based on that you can select easily. I will send this all catalog. For example, circular purpose we have, dampers purpose we have, grills purpose we have. Okay, every company have this catalog. Don't worry. In your company, which type of vendors is there, that vendors we will send out catalogs. Okay, some disturbance is coming, just you can off your mics. Okay, now we go for next one. See, that is our diffusers. Okay, now clear na? Register and grill, slot diffuser. Okay, I will send, don't worry. I will convert into zip file, I will send. See, here we have accessories like fire damper, and what is the different? Okay, this is okay. Accessories, here we have fire damper, volume control damper and butterfly damper. Okay, this fire damper is a manual control, this is also manual control. Butterfly damper, for example, fire damper we are using compulsory. Why? Safety purpose. Without safety, automatically you will get any fire accident condition more loss. Okay, but you have safety condition, you will get less. Okay, volume control damper, this is also manual control, this is also manual control. BD, butterfly damper. And here we have motorized. If you need motorized, you can select MVCD, motorized volume control, and motorized smoke fire damper. And non-return damper, this is only one way, VAV, variable air volume, and T, thermostat, and SAT, sound attenuator. Okay, we can mention this type of abbreviations only in our projects. T by A. Okay, 2 above, T by B, 2 below, F by A, from above, and 5 F by B, from below. Next, this is you no need. Okay, HVAC layout, just you can see. Here we have site development plan. Okay, and mission layout. When you place our all mission, then we consider as a mission layout. And 8 terminal layout. 8 terminal layout means first of all we need to place our 8 terminal. And ducting layout, we have SLDs at the same time DLDs. And insulation layout, insulation means depends upon the area, you need to mention your insulation. and refrigeration pipe layout. For example, if you are using water pipe like chiller type, that type of situation, you need this refrigerant pipe layout, chiller water pipe layout. For example, we are using outdoor unit different and indoor unit different, or VRV system, that type of condition you will get this refrigerant. Chilled water pipe means normal chillers condition like water cold, air cold. Next is schematic drawing, means nothing but a section drawing. Next, notes and legends. Okay, this is plain false ceiling and tile or grid false ceiling, step false ceiling. Plain false ceiling condition, we are using normal diffusers. Okay, supply ceiling diffuser and RCD, return ceiling diffuser. And next, tiles are grid false ceiling, that type of situation we are using sorry, this two we are using this one. And you go for step false ceiling, that condition we are using grills now. For example, you need to place a wall face, that condition you can use lowers. Okay, depends upon the requirement, you can select that one. Okay, next, when you created your layers in AutoCAD, we need to follow this rule. Okay, MHVAC SCD. Okay, here MHVAC SCD means this is one of this Machna rule. Okay, D set means nothing but a, first of all we need to mention our department, mechanical department, that's why you can mention M. Next, you can mention D set means D for department, S for service, which service, and E for element. Okay, T for tag, that element number. Okay, this is department, mechanical, service, HVAC, and element, supply ceiling diffuser, and that number, element number, supply ceiling diffuser number. But we no need to mention number, just you can mention this up to this one, enough that one. Okay, M refers to mechanical, HVAC refers to type of service, SCD refers to the object. Okay, you can mention like this, your fire damper, all. Okay, now we can try our supply ceiling diffuser creation. How can we create our supply ceiling diffuser? Okay, based on your flow, you can select your supply ceiling diffuser. Directly we will go and we can open our project. This is our cell pipe. No? Okay, here I need to create my supply ceiling diffuser. For example, you will take 450 by 450 or 300 by 300. For example, I need to create 300 by 300. Okay, if you need procedure, I will give this note, don't worry. Here you have entire procedure for that, how can we create. Okay, I'll create directly. Just you can see, this is my first point. Okay, first of all we need to select, or we need to create our layers. How can we create our layers? LA, enter. Okay, here we have all layers for this, but I need to create some extra for this. Just go here, M for department underscore. Okay, next HVAC, you can mention HVAC service. Okay, next you can mention SCD, supply ceiling diffuser. Okay, you can select your color. For example, I need green color, you can select green. Okay, now you can close. But here I need current layer na, just go here, select this one. Okay, or otherwise you can apply as a current layer also. Now you can select first point, you can mention at the date of directly, or otherwise you can mention D, enter, 300 by 300. Okay, this is our diffuser size. Okay, now you can take offset as a 50, then you can mention, see. Okay, you will get like this. Then you can mention supply ceiling diffuser 300 by 3. Yeah, this is only actually symbolic representation. Okay, this item is only symbolic representation, but you need to maintain this square outer block exact size, that's it. Remaining we no need. Okay, here you can mention 50 or 100, that's not a problem now. We need only outer. You have 450 by 450 from the catalog, you will take that one. You have 300 by 300, you will take that one. Okay, depends upon the catalog or flow. For example, already we calculated here in this room, how much is there here? 460 liter per second. That 460 liter per second, which is diffuser is better, you can create that one. Okay, that's not a problem. Present I am explaining about how can we create our supply diffuser, and how can we create our return, and how can we create our grills like that. Okay, now understand my point. Hello Kronal. Okay na? Yeah, liter per second. Some persons what mm, tell me. mm, yeah, okay, that's okay. That is depends upon the room. We need to take diffuser. Okay, for example, you can go any shopping mall or wait. For example, you will go. Yeah, here present I am explaining only how can we draw our diffusers. That's it, not a selection. Okay, don't worry about that. When you know how can we draw, then we can select easily. Here we have all data, that's not a problem to us. Just you will take 460 na. For example, 460, I need a square diffuser, not a rectangular. Just you can observe. Here we have square purpose white color, not rectangular purpose we have other yellow color. Okay, we need square or normal. I need square condition. Okay, that condition you can prefer your square. 300 by 300 is there, but 300 by 300 up to only 378 liter per second, not a more. Just you can see. Not 94 yet. You consider this all up to here is there 378 liter per second, up to 300 by 300. Okay, flow applicable 94 to 375. This is minimum, this is maximum. Okay, that condition your pressure rate and your that condition your pressure rate is there na, that pressure you will say, or otherwise I will say. Already said na, Vn. Here we have Vn na, neck velocity in meter per second, that is neck velocity. Okay, for example, yeah, neck velocity means in diffuser above we have neck na, that neck. Okay, now I need 450 by 450 diffuser. Just you can prefer for that. Here I have 455 450. Then you can see 450 425 to 531. Now here applicable na, just you will go any commercial complex or commercial or offices. Okay, that condition you can see all same size diffusers, yes or no? Why we need to select like that? We can control our volume by using VCD. How much of you need for that diffuser, that much of flow we can adjust by using VCD. You can select maximum limit in your floor. For example, you selected entire tier ton of refrigeration in your plan. Okay, that condition here we have 460, here we have 348, and here we have 509, and here we have 233. We have minimum and maximum 321. Okay, based on this all you can select one, what is that minimum and maximum, which is our square diffuser is better. Based on this catalog you can select that one. Yeah, example, in here we have one duct. For example, I placed here one machine, I supplied to this one and this one. This condition here we have 460, here we have 348, and here 273. Okay, how can we control our flow rate? in branches now, this is branch and this side we have, this side we have. Okay, here we have separate distribution, here we have separate air distribution. That condition we need to apply VCD. Why we need to apply VCD? Air controlling, airflow control purpose. Okay, VCD we have blades. For example, you can open fully blades, you can go more flow. You can open less blades, you can go less flow. Okay, based on that blades we can adjust. Okay, you will take 450 by 450. Maximum limit how much is there here? Not here. 450 by 450 starting means 212 means applicable for 4 rooms. 212 to 849 up to 849 liter per second applicable this 450 by 450 diffuser means you can see in your floor. Okay, we calculated for one plat now. Just you can see 509 applicable this one, and 460 applicable, 348 applicable, 273 applicable, at the same time 321 and 233 also applicable. Now you can select 450 by 450 for all. By using VCD we can adjust our volume. That's it now. Now clear your doubt? Okay, if you need to create 450 by 450, I will create that one also, don't worry. Okay, D enter. You can mention 450 length, at the same time 450 width. Okay, now you can mention as a 75. Okay, now you will take supply. You can off your mic now, some disturbance. Okay, this is our supply ceiling diffuser symbol. Now we need to mention arrows. Now how can we mention our arrows? Means, for example, I am taking one line, sorry, not a PL polyline, and you will take this one, you can apply here. For example, you can on F8, then you can mention for example 90. Okay, and you will take width W, and you can mention for example 30, and next 0. Next you can mention this one, for example 60. Okay, this much. Okay, if you need to decrease this one, you can decrease your length. For example, more is there, that condition you can decrease it to 30. Then you can see. Okay, you can select and you can move like this. Now you can select and you can use array now. AR enter, select polar condition, select this point. Then we need only 4 now. This is 4-way diffuser. See now. Okay, this is supply. Okay, I need return condition. What you do? LA enter. First of all, you can create your layer. Okay, M underscore HVAC. Okay, next HVAC RCD, return ceiling diffuser. Now this is our current layer. Just you can select and close that. Okay, now you can select this one and copy here to here. Okay, then you can remove, or otherwise you can follow same rule, delete this one. Again we can try REC enter, select this point. First of all, you can select your layer, current layer. Sorry, we need to change our color also in that LA. We have RCD, you can select this one and the current layer. RCD, go here, you can select red color, for example return purpose. If you need return, you can place red. Okay, next go here, you can place it here. D enter, 450 by 450. Okay, next offset enter, how much we need. For example, just I need 75. You can apply. Okay, in return diffuser condition you will get like this, here to here. This is our return symbol. Okay, now we need to mention return arrow. Just you will take polyline based on this middle point, same 60. You will take W, 30 width, and you will take 0 and 90. Okay, you will take as a 90. 90 is good looking compared to this one. Here also you can apply 90, that's not a problem to you. You can select this one, AR enter. select polar and you can specify this one. Again you can mention 4. Okay, this one. Next, for example, if you need to create your grills, how can we create our grills? You can take a rectangle, for example, D, enter. I am taking as 1150 into 5. Okay, this is our grill size. Next I am taking REC into D, enter. 1100, depends upon your catalog size, you can mention 50. Now move, enter, select this one, enter. You can specify your point and where you need exactly midpoint, you can place like this. This is our grid. Next we need to apply our arrows. If you need this one, copy. Okay, or otherwise you can create directly here. Based on this you can create F8 like 60, W, enter. How much? 30, 0. Sorry, we need to take polyline, not this one. Just you can apply 60. Okay, next W, enter. 30, 0. Okay, next you can apply 90. This one, escape. Now you can select this one, rotate. We need this side na. Just you can select and move. Okay, now you can select this one, copy. How many you need? This much. Okay, now you can select this one, mirror, MI. This is our return. If you need supply, just you can copy this one and you can edit into supply layer. Okay, easily. Okay, just we have less than 1 minute. I will just you can see. Now I need to create supply. Okay, that purpose also we need to create one more layer, supply grill, and the same as well as this one. Lex M underscore like HVAC service underscore RCG. Okay, return grill, red color. Okay, next go here, M underscore HVAC SCG supply air grill. Here you can change your color, same. Okay, now cancel. If you need this one, you can create. Okay, now you will take a rectangle here to here, D, enter. 1150 by 5. Okay, REC, enter, and you can mention D, enter. 1100 by 50. Now you can select this one, move this midpoint to here. Okay, now I need supply diffuser. Just you can select here, you can apply 60 and you can apply width. How much? 30, 0, 90. Select this one, you can do copy. Just you can do mirror. Okay, this is apply, and you can select this one. You can change a layer into RCG. Okay, now you can select no. Supply means, for example, this is your room. I will show. Okay, not elevation. This, why we are using grill? Side view condition na. For example, we have step ceiling like this. Okay, we have like this. That condition you can place your grill. Just you can select this one. Okay, and you can place like this na. Yeah, this condition. But when you have step ceilings or interior design, that condition you need this one, or otherwise you no need. Okay. Next I need to create mission. Okay, mission purpose you can create one more layer, LA. Okay, just M underscore HVAC MAC mission. Okay, current layer, and you can change your mission layer into green. Sorry, this. Okay, close now. Now I will take mission, for example, based on your catalog this size also. D enter. For example, I will take 1100 600 width. Okay. This is our mission. Now you can select this one, explode. Okay, now we need to mention flexible connection. How can we give a flexible connection? Means just you will take 25 offset. How many lines you need, that much of lines. Okay, just I mentioned 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is your requirement, not a problem. Next you will take one more line here to here, and offset just you can mention 25 here to here, and you can take line. But here we don't know that condition, you can delete. Okay, and you will take one line like this. Why? Means we need midpoint for that, no? I will show now, don't worry. You will take line, then you can mention easily. Okay, now you can delete this all lines, and you can remove the remaining lines. Okay, but here we no need, actually. Come back. Okay, this condition we no need, just remove this one. You can represent like this. Okay, now you can select this one, you can apply here. Now you can remove this all, TR double enter. Okay, this is our flexible connection representation. If you need this one, you can select. Okay, and do mirror. Okay, for example, flexible connection purpose you need separately. Sorry, here we got error. Just you can come back. Okay, you can select this one only. You can do mirror by using this one, F8. Then you can see we got exactly now. Okay, this is our flexible connection now. Okay, for a flexible connection I need to change color like that. You can change your color also, that's not a problem. You can create one more layer and you can change that one. Next I need to create mouthpiece. For example, depends upon the duct size. Okay, for example, we have 600 duct. LA enter, you can create one more like M underscore HVAC like SCAD, supply duct. For example, I need this one. Okay, next I need one more, that is mouthpiece. If you need mouthpiece, you can create, or otherwise you can create normally, that's not a problem. Just you can select your SCAD and click on here, then close this one. Now take here L enter, you will take midpoint here. Okay, how much you have. For example, I have like this my duct. Okay, this duct width I know 600. That condition you can mention this side 300 and this side 300. Okay, now you will take one line. Okay, you can apply polar, right click, 45 degrees. You can mention exactly this point to where is your 45 angle. You can mention that side, and you will take here. Okay, here, but this is not correct. First of all, we need to take some offset. How much of that offset means 300. Okay, off you will take that one. Sorry, you will take offset 300 first. Okay, based on that you can mention your duct. Okay, if you need procedure, you will get here. You have procedure, mission creating. See, see, you can create like this. This is also applicable mouthpiece like this, and one more is you can create directly. I will show now, don't worry. Just 300 you can mention, and you can apply line duct. 300 is the minimum size actually. You can apply, and you will take your duct with 30, 300. You can mention this side one and this side one. Then you can mention directly here to here. This is one procedure, mouthpiece creation purpose. Okay, TR double enter, you can remove here, here, and you can remove here. This is our mouthpiece. Okay, this is one procedure, and another procedure is you can select this one, copy. You can remove this one. I told all you know, just you give connection like this, and your duct with 600. Then you can mention two sides 300, 300. Okay, now you will take your line as a 45 degrees. Next, this side you will take one more 45. Okay, now you will draw one line at here, this point to this point. Now you can remove TR double enter. This is one procedure. Okay, which you need, you can use that one. Okay, by using like this we can create. Okay, if you need to mention your text, you can use. See now, here I need to mention some names. Just you can apply like 75 text. Okay, then you can mention this is mission. Now you can mention as a mission. Okay, now select this one, copy here to here. For example, this is canvas. You can apply canvas or flexible connection. Okay, or otherwise this is select copy, and you can place it here. This is mouthpiece. Mouthpiece. Okay, this is mouthpiece and canvas mission. Okay, you can create like this. Okay, and we have one more, that is you will take as a 30 or 15. You can apply like this. Okay, and offset 25. You can give like this side also. Then you will take fillet or enter 0 enter. Then you can select and you can apply. Again you can select this one and apply like this. Then you can select here to here, and you can select here to here. Okay, this is for example filter. Now you can mention H, enter. You will take your filter hash. For example, I am taking cross hatch. Where is cross? Okay, now you can apply yellow color. Okay, this type hatching is not applicable now. What you do means you will take one REC exactly this point to here, but this is you can convert into mission layer. Go here layers and you can select as a mission. Filter purpose you can create actually separate layer H. Okay, now applied na. Now you can mention here 100. Now clear na. This is our filter. Okay, next same as well as we need to give the based on catalog chilled water in, chilled water out. For example FCO. Okay, chilled water in and chilled water out you can create. Okay, and you can create chilled water in and chilled water out. Just you will take rectangle D, enter 50 by 25. You can give the connections like this. Copy. Based on your supply, return that one based on your pipe sizes. Okay, if you need to increase or decrease this sizes, you can decrease like a 20, and you can increase this side into 10. Just for normal na. Delete. Again you can select this one, copy. This one. Okay, now one side you can select as a return. I am selecting this one actual color, but in actual condition is different. Go here properties, you can select red return, and you can select this one as a supply like this. Okay, now see mouthpiece, canvas, our mission, and here we have filter, and this one is our chilled water in, chilled water out in chiller condition. Okay, but you will take AHU condition based on our catalog. We need to create our AHU also same. Okay, now clear na.